Sir, I'm giving you 175 years, which is 2,100 months. I've just signed your death warrant.
He may be the most prolific child molester in history, and now disgraced Dr. Larry Nassar will spend the rest of his life behind bars. Over 7 days, 156 women, mothers, sisters, daughters, Olympians, appeared in court to confront the man they say sexually abused them over a 2-decade span, all while he worked for USA Gymnastics and Michigan State University.
The last one to face him, the first to go public with her story back in 2016. And her words of condemnation weren't just for Nassar, but also those at Michigan State who she says enabled him.
MSU, we have been telling our stories for more than 18 months, and you have yet to answer a single question I have asked. Every time I repeat these facts about the number of women who reported to employees at MSU and were silenced, you respond the exact same way. You issue a press statement saying there was no cover-up because no one who heard the reports of assault believed that Larry was committing abuse.
In the wake of her words, a major shakeup at Michigan State University, the president announcing only hours ago that she is resigning. Comes with the NCAA investigating Michigan State for its role in this scandal. And now the CEO of the U.S. Olympic Committee calling on all USA Gymnastics board members to quit.
Many of Nassar's victims say they were abused in the presence of their parents. Some say it took time to realize they had actually been abused. All of this may have you wondering, what is the best way to talk to your kids about sexual abuse?
7 Eyewitness News reporter Jeff Slauson spoke with an expert for insight on just how to begin this difficult conversation.
Talking about sexual abuse with your children starts with small steps.
Talking with them on a regular basis, on a daily basis at least, about how their day's going.
According to Gretchen Zemansky of Child and Family Services, that small communication is key because often children don't even know something is wrong.
Victims are not always quite sure that something happened in the first place.
That's why it's important to talk with them about what that harmful behavior could be.
Explaining them things about good touch versus bad touch.
And also letting them know that bad touch can be from someone they know, someone they trust, or even love.
At least 80% of the time when sexual abuse takes place, the abuser is some sort of known, trusted adult or individual.
According to Darkness to Light, an organization aiming to end sexual abuse, 1 in 7 girls and 1 in 25 boys will be sexually abused before their 18th birthdays, a statistic that could actually be higher, as experts say many cases go unreported.
Many victims are afraid of what the consequences may be to themselves.
That's why it's important for parents to stress to their children being open and honest is not a bad thing.
They didn't do anything wrong. They're not the one that made the decision to engage in a sexual act.
It's a tough conversation, one that's only helped by understanding.
Trust the relationship with them and allow them to come to you when they're ready.
In Buffalo, Jeff Slauson, 7 Eyewitness News.